Got another one here for you, third gen guys, third gen Fbody guys. Yep. Another one makes it into the salvage yard. It's kind of shame on this one actually, because you know, not too bad. You know. That's what we got. 92 RS Camaro with the GT Grant steering wheel. See that mileage on there? Aftermarket radio, it's gone. Automatic. Like I said, headliner's gone. Said here, there it is. There was a back in 2011, 121,000 miles when they were due for their next oil change. So obviously the dash is cracked. Son, boy. Yep. Seats. Well, that dirty. Cigarette. Burn there. That door panel looks decent. Let me step on that side. On the keys. She ain't cranking though. Actually, that seat is not too bad a shape either. Manual, obviously. Here, it's the insurance deal. You know, can't be behind a dime or a nickel. Yeah. Dog tags. I don't know what kind of deal that is. Keys. Yeah, there's the door panel on it. Can't really see. 08 of 91. So. Let's close that door. Tell she was that green. Yeah, got a full set of the wheels here. 16-inch wheels. Too bad. What we got in the back here? This tail lights are decent. There's your RPO code on it. There's a spare. It's not aluminum, I wish it was. I want to say they only came like maybe in the higher end ones. Got a Holly carb. Just sitting back here. And these are pretty much all still, I guess they were new. I don't think they were even used. Sandable primer. So, Duplicolor Rust-Oleum. So they put the, you know, cheapy deal on it. Not sure why, but you know, they did. Front end on it. Yeah, like I said, man, I mean, pretty straight car. Come on. Come on. Got your 305. That's what it says there. It says 92. Usually for the most part all there. Yeah, I don't think I see anything missing. Shouldn't have done that. It was a bitch trying to open that hood, man. That latch would not budge. But there it is, man. That may have been why. Maybe it was like all. Maybe they tried to do something with it. I don't know. Maybe that's the way they got it. It doesn't have any hail damage that I can see or feel. Yeah, solid car. I don't really want to get under there. Oh, I see it. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see the Flowmaster down there. But that's it. That is it. Wait a sec. What's this? So, oh, that's your. Yeah, that's gonna be your paperwork, your owner's manual and whatnot. Receipts for or whatnot. There it is. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it this way here. I like getting a shot of it like this angle. I don't know, I just do. I'll get this tailgate in there. Alright, man, that's gonna do it for this one here.